This is how I turned a cheap $20 store-bought hatchet into something that looks handmade for a bushcraft adventurer. Alright, so here it is. This is what it looks like before we're gonna do all this stuff. I peeled off the stickers here, and yeah, this is not so pretty right now because of the stickers and these logos and this terrible finish on it. So I like this though. This actually, I might make a leather sheath for it, and I might incorporate this because it's pretty good. So yeah, let's start off by sanding, getting all this stuff, stick adhesive off, sand down this handle, and
March winds and April showers make way for sweet May flowers, and then comes June, a moon and you.
Alright, so this is all done. Looking a little shinier than you would think. I did not want to sand off all the paint, but because of the way the sticker was on, I couldn't get the adhesive off without damaging the paint. So I'm like, you know what I'll do? I'll sand it all off, and then I'll just paint it. So that's what I'm going to do. Before I do that, I want to engrave a little cross on the back for a little extra flair. So, put this in here, and then we're going to engrave that with our Dremel.
Time and you.
Alright, honestly, that's not that bad. I think I did alright. For my first time ever really engraving something metal. I did paint over the scratches so that you really see it right here. Because, you know, I didn't do a perfect job, but I don't think it's that bad. I think it passes pretty good for a cross. And once I just paint the sides, everything should look pretty nice. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to put some sticky tack on the inside of that engraving, so when I paint over it, it'll act like a painter's tape.
An April shower, romance will soon be ours, an outdoor paradise for two. With your lips to mine, in a thrill divine, I'll be so inspired that I'll get you the moon.
Now, doesn't that look nice? Not nice enough, of course, because we still got to stain the handle and put on some leather, but it still looks real nice for right now. Alright, let's go stain. There it is. All done painting, all done staining. Now, remove the tape, see how she looks. I did actually have to go over this this again, because when I applied the stain, I applied it a little too early, and I rubbed off some of the matte black paint. So I had to go over another coat. And then to prevent that from happening again, I sealed it. So I don't think this is coming off unless you, you know, really push it through some hard times.
March winds and April showers, romance will soon soon be ours, an outdoor paradise for two. With your lips to mine, in a thrill divine, I'll be so inspired that I'll get you the moon for a toy balloon. Whoa, March winds and April showers make way for happy hours, and May time, June time, love time and you.
This was a fun little short build, but you know, it turned out exactly how we wanted. We changed something that looks like crap into something that looks really cool, and we didn't change or sacrifice the usability or practicality of it to do so. And that's really the biggest win you can get when you are customizing things. And so yeah, this is great for beginners. It's great for anybody, and I'm personally going to use this as my new hatchet. And yeah, I hope if you like this video, if you like anything about this whole shebang that we're doing, you know, me, the channel, the content, any of it, please comment, subscribe, you know, all the famous YouTube stuff. I hope that you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you, and farewell, friend.